So this system is for the cargo building web-based management cargo building system, which is used for the management of the cargo by the port admin, and the shipping company can be used for to searching their invoice and the charges that have been done by their vessel in the port. So first of all, in the previously I have been done for the example, the company, the admin can be log in, then the register function, register, login, create, retrieve, update, and delete of all the data. And the secondly, in the new task, the which is done by the port admin can be used to checking all of the shipping company vessel in the management function, which all the shipping company list by which the port admin can be checked by the all of the shipping company. There also can be update their detail and the delete of all of the detail here. Besides, in the secondly, the newest function is the main function of this system is the port admin can be inserting the charges in the different of their vessel by each of the company, each of the vessel by inserting the vessel name and the type. All of the charges can be inserted here, and finally the port admin can be get the final table of the charges here. So in the table charges here, we also can be searching for the name. This one is a sorting function. The sorting function is used to make the user be more convenient in searching the function, like searching the vessel name, which like for example, this one is the more of the can maybe in the real life got many vessel, so maybe they want to search the ABC123, which is maybe in very far away, so they can be just like type ABC. Okay, they can be searched like that. Or maybe they will be forget the name, the first name, so they can be typed like the part of their name. They also can be searched like the top part of their name 1 2 3. They also can be checked 1 2 3, which one they want. Okay, 1 2 3 ABC 1 2 3 is like that. Okay, this one. So beside that, in all of this table, if they want to get the final result, the calculation of the charges, so how they can be get? So they can be get by clicking the report. The system will automatically calculating all of the final charges that be inserted before by the shipping company, by the port admin, which this one is the invoice, which is the final report that be generate. So beside that, the newest function is that have been developed, like for example is that one is service charge. That so previous that have been done for the crude, for the port admin, crude for the shipping company, and crude for the shipping company to develop the new vessel, and each company can be have more than one vessel. They can be manage the vessel, and the service charges, the calculation of the charges. And now this one is a new simple improvement. This one is the simple improvement, which means that in the ABC Senjiang Berhad, which is the shipping company, in the shipping company they can be manage their profile, which is their profile. They can be view their profile, they can be manage their profile, something like that. So they also can be manage their vessel. So in the managed vessel, we also can be seen that there's also got a sorting column, which each shipping company can be more than 100 of their vessel, which the shipping company can be 100 vessel, which they can be managed by faster way by sorting the name here. So this for more convenience for the user. So in the table, we can see that got the invoice. This invoice different from the previous final report. The report maybe it's a same for the report from clicking by the port admin, so the shipping company can be seen the invoice by clicking here. So one shipping company can have many vessels, but each of the vessels can have only one invoice. So in the invoice, we can pay directly be viewed by the shipping company. They are detailed here, and the port detail and the vessel detail. So this the description of all of the charges which been developed by the ship the vessel in the seaport. So in the seaport, so this the final. So beside the also they got some correction with the double means the double decimal point here have been developed. So if the user the port admin gonna to generate the invoice, they can be direct generate the invoice here. So the generate invoice that can be direct download here, which is file one, which can be direct download to the computer or the PC from the for the revision of the shipping company. So that's all. Thank you.